I just made 3.5k on a single AUDUSD trade during phase 2 of my FundedNext challenge. It wasn't a lucky entry, it wasn't high risk, it was a strict management that saved my account, because just a few days ago I was down -3% and sitting at 97k. So this trade of 3.5k not just recovered my drawdown period, but I also went into a profit of 0.5%. I was deep in a drawdown of phase 2 on my FundedNext challenge. At that point, most traders panic. They start revenge trading, over risking, trying to make it all back. Instead, I was calm and trusted my strategy and my probabilities. After 3 losses, it's very rare that I take also the 4th one. And I know all these things because I backtested a lot. So I have all the data of backtesting. Here is the AUDUSD trade that changed everything. As you can see, it was a buy trade and it was a clean setup after a liquidity grab and bullish shift. I waited for price to pull into a demand zone, then entered with a clear confirmation, which for me is this hammer blue candle. This trade offered me a 3.5-hour return, and the best part, it played out in under 2 hours. No stress, no overtrading, just precise execution based on my plan. As you can see there, at this point I was -3% in drawdown on my FundedNext phase 2. I had already lost a few trades. The pressure was real, believe me, and this is where most traders go wrong. They either double risk out of frustration or they sit frozen, afraid to pull the trigger. But I did the opposite. I reminded myself, my edge doesn't disappear just because I'm in a drawdown. My job isn't to force a comeback, it's to take clean setups with controlled risk. And most importantly, risk management is crucial, my brother. This mindset allowed me to execute this trade without any hesitation. I wasn't thinking about making back the losses. Is this setup part of my system? Is the risk controlled? Have I accepted the outcome, win or loss? And when all the 3 answers were yes, I just took the trade and walked away. That's the part people don't show. Not just the charts, but what happens inside your head when you are trading under pressure. This trade worked out beautifully, but even if it didn't, I would have been okay with it, because it was planned, controlled, professional. You don't need 10 trades to recover. You just need one clean setup and a plan that protects your capital. Risk management isn't a suggestion. It's the only reason that I'm still in this challenge. Now, as you can see, I'm up 1%. I came also at 2.5%. Took a loss, but as I said, it's normal. For more videos like that, subscribe the channel.